In this lesson, you will learn about scientific notation with positive exponents, okay? So here we have 8 6/10 times 10 to the 7th, okay? So 8 6/10 times 10 to the 7th. This is like saying 8 6/10 times 10 to the 7th is with 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. So when we do that, when we multiply by a large number like that, we move the decimal to the right 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will get 8, 6, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So we moved it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So we have 86 million there, okay? To write it in scientific notation, you would simply take your whole numbers here. That would be 8.6, and we're actually going to move the decimal then back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. It's 8 6/10 times 10, and we moved it 7 times, okay? So let's try another one. This is a larger number. 4 49/100 times 10 to the 12th. This simply means I'm going to move my decimal to the right or multiply it by 10 to the 12th. So I'm going to move it to the right 12 times. So I'm going to have them do it down here. 4 49/100. Move it to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Gives me 4 4 9 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. That's where my decimal goes now. To go back to scientific notation, I'm simply going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I move 12 places for 9 times 10 to the 12th. Okay, so you can go back and forth in scientific notation using those positive exponents. And that's the end of our lesson on scientific notation.